happening, Rec Tech family? I am Ray Carnes, co-founder, and I'm here with my buddy,
Stevie FREDERICKS, Twisted Burrito.
We'd like to wish a happy birthday to his daughter, Sawyer. It is her second birthday.
2 years old today. Happy birthday, Sawyer.
So he's got to get out of here quick. So because he's got to go quick, we had a good idea. We're going to do a bunch of quick recipes today. We're going to do some good tailgate recipes, appetizers, because, you know, for me, the real grill season starts about right now, and that is football season, more specifically, Georgia Bulldog.
Georgia Bulldog football.
That's right.
This is the year.
This is our year.
This is the year.
We've been saying that
since
1984.
1980.
Since the 80s, since Herschel. But anyhow, we're going to do some bacon wrapped blue cheese stuffed dates.
What's a date, right?
Well, that's when you get a girl. I mean, I know you would know about this, but you head out to the movies and stuff like that.
That's a horrible joke, my friend.
What is a date?
It comes from the date palm.
Yeah, a date tree.
Date tree.
Yeah. So what you're going to do is take these dates, and you're going to split them. You're going to pit them, like Stevie's going to show you right here. Once you get that pit out, you're going to get a little blue cheese, and the amounts will be below. You're going to stuff these guys like this. And then we are gonna wrap them in some hickory smoked bacon, like so. And then you're just gonna take a toothpick and stab them like that. And let me go get the ones we've done already. So we got these guys ready to go. Once you get them done, you're gonna take some honey rib rub, your favorite barbecue rub. And this is basically some brown sugar, smoked paprika. Just take your favorite sweet heat. This has got a little bit of heat on the back end. Hit them with your barbecue rub. We're gonna go out to the REC TEC 700, the Bull. We got it preheated to 325. We're gonna get those guys on about 25, 30 minutes, basically depending on the thickness of your bacon until it gets done. So we'll see you at the REC TEC. So what we got, man? What we got going, buddy?
Little game day, baby. Game day.
We got game day. We get rough on game day. We got these dates going here.
I'm not gonna hit you anymore.
All right.
Blue cheese, bacon wrap,
since they're dates, man.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. Really easy appetizer. Make your friends go wild. And it's something different. They hadn't seen it before, I guarantee you. Check us out at rectechgrills.com. Follow us on social media. Thanks for grilling with us today. We'll see you at the REC TEC.